How to sign in AOL Mail account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to sign in to your AOL Mail account. So let's get started. First, we need to open any web browser on your device. Simply open the Safari over here. Once in the Safari, you need to tap AOL over here and then you need to tap Go. Once you're here, you need to tap on AOL.com. Then you need to tap on sign in option over here. Simply tap on the sign in option. Now, you will be taken to this login page. You need to simply enter your username, email or mobile phone. I'll simply enter my email over here. Once you have done that, you need to tap on next. After you have entered your email, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email over here. Then you will be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you type in that correctly. Once you have done that, hit that sign in option and that's it. You're now signed in to your AOL mail account and can access your emails. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.